How do you make money on Snapchat? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make money on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are several ways so that you can actually make money on Snapchat. Now, it's not just through monetization or something like that, but there are a couple of steps you can follow. The first is to build a large and engaged following. So if you have a public profile, make sure you engage your followers with and promote your products and services. If you have got a personal product or services, you can take a snap of those and send to your followers. You can also try to partner with influencers. You can also try to sell Snapchat filters, because if you have got a certain filter that you want to sell, you can simply go ahead and enter that as well. You can design geo filters. You can promote affiliate products, or you can also earn through Spotlight by creating Spotlight videos over here. This way you can go ahead and then make money on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.